How does that look?
Figure that out later. 'Cause I don't know how to turn the flash off, and I fear that we might have to remove these.
I don't know.
It's actually you? Yeah, actually. You're very tall. I just might be a bit too short, actually.
I have more like pins and stuff if you need. I think the top is okay. I think I'm just gonna spray it down. I'm like doing like a little vlog.
Oh!
Little Nutcracker vlog. Yeah.
I feel like I've seen one of them before.
Yeah, I made one 2 years ago.
Yeah, it's so cute though. Your makeup
Wait,
was
was I
like
here?
driving was on before. Like, it's so beautiful. I was like, wow.
Was I here?
I don't. You maybe you're probably in it somewhere.
My vlog.
2 years ago? Actually, yeah, it was my. This is
You
my
were.
third.
You were. Yeah.
Guys, what the heck?
We're aging.
Sorry, not to spray your hair.
It's fine. Go for it.
Sorry, Marcella. Guys, you're good. What kinds of pins? Oh, good, you have good pins. Period.
I have more.
I was gonna say where's my other
I mean,
phone?
like I have more in my bag.
I also have. Don't worry.
I might have to do it after stage rehearsal.
It's alright. Okay.
I won't lie to you, bitch.
I might want a second hair tie. Do you have? Or do you want me to get one now?
Or no.
Always. What do you need to wash? That one, just keep that one. It's fine. God, my. I should have gotten more sleep last night. That sleep could fix that.
You know what?
gotta-
I also
No,
should
just
have gotten
really
more sleep
You
last
guys stay in
night.
the cafe?
Mm-hmm.
Or no? Yeah?
Yeah. The door was locked when we got here.
Yeah? Oh, there was a person that opened this one. Even
Oh, that's nice.
Oh no, why are you catching up?
if otherwise I'm like fine right now. The
Don't
toilet's
get
here.
naked, guys.
the color.
Ooh.
Your eyeshadow.
So cute.
Your eyeshadow.
Oh, sorry.
Yours.
You.
Is that your phone? Not really.
It's not charged.
Oh.
Give me this.
Even enough for one photo. It looks good on camera though.
You need a charger?
Yeah, you can
As-
check your makeup on camera.
Not as horrendous.
Where are we
as
going
on camera.
now? Are you guys recording?
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Sorry, that I'm scared was really loud.
I am.
Slightly.
I feel like Lena's always freaking out on her makeup. Like,
I am because makeup.
And it always looks good.
Thank you.
There's never a reason to panic, and she's always
yeah.
Because. Oh, I did not.
I have powder.
No, it's like.
It's like white though.
No, mine is like.
Just so you know.
Mine is like. Like.
Sorry, I'm like
foundation
shaping the
powder.
bun.
Yeah, go for it.
This is what I usually do is I put like one pin to hold the hair in like the twist, and then I put a hairnet and I remove the pin so that I can like shape it into like a flat like,
Yeah, I should start doing that.
and then I
It's,
repin
like,
the
the
whole
best.
thing.
Yeah.
I don't like a chunky bun.
No, I don't like it either. I don't think it looks
Flat bun.
nice. I just
Why do
always.
you even like that?
I'm in such a rush.
So for real right
Sorry
now.
if I'm like really stabbing you.
No, go
I'm
for
like-
it. You're actually really
I
not.
become my mother when she used to do it. And I'd be like, Mom, it hurts. It's like, shut up.
It's like, do you
To
want a
myself.
nice hair or
Do you
not?
want a bun or not?
Yeah.
I apologize if I am in your.
Do we need more pins?
How bad
I
I'm
have
doing
some.
on time. I'm doing horrible on time.
Are they gonna call us down? I'm just
I'm not-
like
I
kind of
feel like
a little bit
yes, but we
concerned.
may also be a little bit behind. I just have a feeling.
Oh man, it's not bueno.
No.
Those are
because I
smaller
feel
than
like
the other
whenever we
ones,
do
eh?
Stage
Yeah.
rehearsal, I always feel like we're behind or something.
Scratch your entire
That's
scalp
okay.
right off.
That's okay. That makes me feel like this bun is not going anywhere.
Oh, it's not going anywhere.
Yeah, good.
Like right now. Can I
That's
get
my
my pins?
only.
Oh, wait, put it here.
Oh my goodness.
Perfect.
Candy? No. Bobby pins.
That's funny. Candy? No. It's Bobby pins.
I know the ones at the bottom are like so uncomfortable.
That's okay.
cooperating
But
with
that's what keeps them
But
like.
that's like low key keeps it on your
Yeah.
head. Okay, I feel like you're like kind of sad.
I think it's good. Thanks, darling.
Yeah, it looks good.
Thank you.
Here. Solid.